We'll demonstrate running stitch. Running stitch is simple and commonly used stitch, especially suitable for stitching various patterns. We start from right segment first. Come up at right of segment. Take down at left of segment. Now one running stitch is complete. Demonstrate again. Come up at one end of segment, then take down at other end. It's a very simple stitch. Note when stitching, leave gaps between running stitches. This way can stitch a dashed line. Cannot be tightly connected. If tightly connected, it becomes another stitch. When stitching, arrange them in parallel. This way, stitched line will be straight. Stitch length should be consistent. We can stitch individually or stitch continuously. For example, come up here. After taking down at end, push needle vertically forward and come up, then pull thread to left. Then take down at other end. This forms continuous running stitch method. Both methods can be used. Depends on which you're used to. Running stitch can be short lines or long lines. Adjust according to embroidery needs. When stitching, keep needle in straight state. This way, stitched segments will be even. Let's see the finished effect.